This one daily habit 10x my trading. And let me tell you why. Because right now, most people are looking at these charts trying to figure out, is this price going to go up? Is it going to go down? Is it going to go sideways? Oh, snap. It's 9:30 in the morning. It's time to take a trade. Oh, I just woke up. I'm online now. Let me get a quick little trade in. Let me make some money real quick. The market doesn't care if you're tired. The market doesn't care if you're caffeinated. The market doesn't care if it's time to trade or not for you. But there are anomalies in this market. There are patterns that repeat themselves. There are new things, Jim Simons calls them anomalies, that pop up often. So there are edges that you can have as a trader. But I think you and I both know every once in a while you're going to get on tilt. Every once in a while you're going to be a little tired. Every once in a while you're going to have something else you got to go do. So you got to get your trade in now, or you got to leave a trade open. This one daily habit 10x my trading. Okay, so what does that habit do? I explain it here on my roadmap, which is free on the link below, but essentially it's the RBI system. So instead of trading by hand, I decided one day after I met a mysterious $1 billion a day trader, automated trader, that I was gonna automate my trading as well. But there's a process behind this. You don't want to just go run and build a bot. There's one habit that really, really crushes if you want to automate your trading because it keeps you, number one, from trading by hand. Number two, it helps you find unlimited trading strategies that actually work. So the process of automating your trading starts with research of trading strategies. So you have to read books, you have to listen to podcasts, you have to keep your mind open, take notes, watch videos. I have a really good source I'll show you here in a second where you can find a ton of different ideas. Now, none of them are going to be plug and play, make $1 million overnight, but hey, they're ideas that you can combine with your experience or your other ideas and see if they actually work. So it starts with research because you want to find a bundle of strategies. So I do this every single day. I'm always looking for new ideas every single day. I'm always looking for new ideas, listening to books, audiobooks mostly. Podcasts, chat with traders is great. There's 300 different approaches to the market. And just taking notes like, oh, okay, this could be a good trading idea. Boom, boom. Let me put in my phone, iPhone. My iPhone is just filled with notes. And then now you can look at my YouTube, and my YouTube's filled with different ideas. So every single day, I'm practicing the RBI system. Then I go ahead and back test those strategies. And we'll do some back testing today because every day, just like, growing up, I played basketball. I try to get 500 shots up every single day. Went from bad at shooting to great at shooting. Why? Because every single day you're taking more shots. Any athlete, you understand that. If you're a math guy, you understand. Hey, you do more problems every day. You're gonna get better at math. Repetition is key. So this is the habit that I follow. So R stands for research strategies, and then B, backtest those strategies. I'll show you today how to backtest. We're going to get some shots up. And then after that, you can implement them into a bot. A small bot, implement or incubate, however you want to say it, incubate into a trading bot with tiny size. Because while the past may be a good indicator of what may happen in the future, it's not guaranteed. So I like to use tiny size. Rye Bear, what up, dude? Long time no see. How have you been? He says, Moon Dev for Prez. Maybe, dude, maybe. Maybe someday. This is a free roadmap here. You can get it on the website below. Just put your email in. I'll send it over to you. But this is going to have a nice little backtesting template here so you can get started with backtesting. I'm going to go ahead and just start jamming out on some backtests now. You know the system I follow, the daily habit I follow every single day, the RBI. I'm always listening or reading, coming up with ideas, putting it in my iPhone notes. I'm taking those ideas and then backtesting and see if they actually work in the past. If they work in the past, they might work in the future. So multiple timeframes is another thing. I test across multiple timeframes, and I've got a pretty cool setup here with Claude. I'm just going to show you right now. So let's lock in, tap the like button, do what you need to do. Let's get it. Bull bear sessions. You can see these are a bunch of back tests. I actually have all on my GitHub. If you're inside of Quant Elite, you have access to all of these back tests. Each one of these folders has like 5-10 different back tests because every single day I'm here live and I'm back testing or I'm coding a bot. Yesterday we built a bot for the new Aster exchange. That was fun and pretty easy for me to do. It took me like 2 hours. You can go see the whole video there. You can see all these back tests. You have access to them as a Quant Elite member. You can see how to do all that here in the description below, but I want to make sure this is super valuable for you today. So we're going to test out some cool ideas. How are we going to do that? I'm going to use Claude because Claude just makes you code faster. So much faster. And I got sub agents now, which are pretty cool. So let's get out of this Claude session. Come on, Claude, let's get it. Trying to exit out. Okay, let's terminate that. Let's try it again. Let's try again, Claude. Let's try it again. Interesting, dude. It won't let me out. It won't let me out of it. Exit, exit, exit. Control C, Control C. Let's say exit maybe. See ya. Okay, Claude. Dangerously skip permissions. So this runs without my oversight. And now here's a really simple way that most people don't know about to get ideas for indicators. Okay, so watch this. I'm going to go here and I'm going to pick an indicator from here. And they actually give you all the code. So it's pretty cool. I'm going to go and scroll down this. Bull bear, we've done that. T-virus. Intraday spark chart. That could be an interesting one. Markov chain. I actually want to do both those. So I'm going to get them both going. Let's get it. So, okay, that doesn't have anything. So let's just keep pushing. Intraday spark chart is where we're at. Markov chain 3D. That could be cool. So you can see here, it's real-time regime detection, dynamic transition probability calculation, interactive 3D visualization. Okay, let's try this one out. And what I'm going to say here is, I'm going to paste it in. Okay. Use my backtest architect agent in order to build out a backtest with all the 25 data sources. It shows you how to do everything in the, or the agent knows exactly what to do, the backtest architect. But go ahead and do that and then build one for the above strategy, and then there should be variations of it as well. So above is an indicator. I accidentally pasted it twice, my bad. But above is an indicator, and then the agent should know to build out multiple versions, the base version, and then multiple other versions. Go ahead and get that started inside of a new folder, of course, inside the backtest folder. Okay, so I probably don't need to tell her all that because I have this sub agent that goes ahead and knows all that. But while she's working, I'll keep her here working. And let's see if I can pull up another terminal here. I thought I had maybe a terminal. Here we go. Perfect. And let's go ahead and you can see the total return here on the fair value gap was interesting, but I want to go ahead and push on to a new strategy today, or a few new strategies. So how am I going to do that? I'm going to go ahead and just keep going down this list because I want to test all of these really. Correlation heat map, well, maybe not all of them. Volume rotor clock, prime numbers, angle market structure. Let's try that one. That one sounds cool. Go ahead and copy it over, and let's say the same thing, really. The backtest architects, go ahead and build out the backtest for this. There are, you know, he knows how to build the base one and then all of the variations of them using their own folder. Go ahead and make sure it's testing on all the data sources and go ahead and build that. Thank you. So you can see I actually have a sub agent that knows exactly how to do all of this. And I'm pretty sure I show this sub agent off. You can see backtest architect here. build Markov chain backtest, and then we have the other one running as well, which is awesome. Get out of that. Get out of that. Okay. So we've got 2 Claude Code instances running here, back coding out backtest, which is awesome.